Welcome and good morning from Da Nang. This is the Furama resort in Da Nang. It's right now in the morning. We're gonna take a little stroll over here. I'm gonna show you everything. It's pretty empty still. The sun is coming out soon, I think, there, and it should be a nice weather. See here their own private beach part here. But of course you can always be on all beach parts here in Vietnam. This is all public, so people can still walk around. Now we're gonna go and take a stroll through the whole resort. I don't have a coffee yet, so I'm a little bit slow, but you can play tennis, yeah. It's good. You can play tennis, not only pickleball. And we're starting here with the 2 infinity pools, back to back. Check this out. So, and if you standing here, you have this like iconic shot with as if you standing in water. But yeah, this is the beautiful shot here, the beautiful view. There's someone with the motorbike on the beach. There's some loungers. And now check this out. This is the beautiful look here from the Furama. They're cleaning the pool. It's 7:30 right now, so not that many people are out yet. Lots of sunbeds. What is this? Oh, there you can call the service. Interesting. Everything looks very like old school, but then you have like this new elements fusioned into it. Even in the rooms, everything is wood and old, but then still modern and like smart. Because they have like plugs everywhere and yeah, it's pretty good. And the bed is very good. Very, very good. I'm gonna take you through the breakfast buffet as well. Let's check that out because eating is important, right? This is the Haiwan Lounge. Not sure if they're open yet, but this is where they had live music yesterday and also the coffee and tea. Then here I think they're gonna feed the peacocks soon. It's pretty wild as well. They're gonna have roaming peacocks here. So this is the lobby here. This is where you arrive. It's very airy. And they don't need a closed up AC here. I've been here in the summer, and because of this design of the lobby, it's always a nice breeze here. And all the way in the front is a playroom. I'm not sure if it's open yet. I'm gonna check it out. They have so many things to do here, non-stop. It's like I'm here for one night and I don't know how I can film everything. So, oh, it's closed. No! But there you can play air hockey and pool, chess, and table tennis, table football. This is the entrance here. And this place is so big. Like I cannot even walk it the whole way in this walking video because it's literally far, far away. And let's check out this little area here and if they are already open or not open. They have like a children play area, and I hope that it's closed so I can film it because I don't want to film any kids. Yes, it's closed. That's good. So I can have a look. Look at this. Hello. Hello. No kids here?
Yeah, it's not open. It's
Perfect, perfect. Awesome. Can I go and film a little bit? Okay. Because I don't want to film when kids here, but I'll do for my YouTube channel. Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so this opens at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right. So you have here lots of dents, and there's another place over there. You can play piano here. So I think you can just put your children in here. It's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Look at this. How cool is that? I mean, this is clearly not made for... I cannot even get in here. Look at this. How fun is that? Like this is... It goes all the way in a ball thing. How cool is that? You're a little bit outdoor here, and then you just take us. Look at this! How awesome is that? It's awesome. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I think that easy to say it's children's friendly here. And the best thing, you can just put your child in here and enjoy your stay. All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right, so there are a lot of more rooms here. And we're gonna take a little stroll to the breakfast buffet. Oh God. So, I'm not really a nature person, you know. Like this is, I would not want to be here somewhere at night. But at daytime it's fine for me. But yeah, you hear all the animals, and it's like you're deep in the jungle here. Even though you are just 5 minutes car ride to the Antung area. Look at this. Also, we're gonna go there right after. This is a lagoon pool and a crazy wooden house from Sapa, from a northern region. They flew it in. I will show you that. It looks so good. You gotta check that out. Here, more art. I think this is the iconic shot here. Look at what they all had. So they have, first of all activities from outside, right? These are the tour things, but let's check this out here. This is what they have every Friday, and then they have things for every day. And then I think this is what I'm gonna do today also. Vietnamese coffee making, stretching, first aid for beginners, air hockey competition, cham dance, water. There's a lot, for kids a lot, even more than for adults. All right, let's check out the. Sincha, good morning. Yes, 219. All right, look at this. And let's check out the breakfast buffet here. Hello, Sincha. We have this is an Indian curry thing, I think. Chutney, coconut chutney. This is wild. Look at this. Samba curry. Oh wow, kara. I never saw things like that. Look at all the bacon prepared here. Oh, this is good. Crunchy bacon. I usually get not crunchy bacon here. This is crazy. Okay, lots of. And here's the egg station. Waffle station, omelette station. Then you have here noodles, rice, pork ragu, chicken curry. Oh my God, what's going on here? Eggs. I think this is the 4th station. 4 and Mikwang maybe. Hello. Ciao. And look, ooh, I can't wait for that. Nut sticky rice. Some dumplings, and this is important. Banh cuon, nice. Some Vietnamese sausages to the banh cuon, and then mix it up with the nuoc mam. Nice. All right, so here the kimchi station. This looks like Korean corner here. Nice. And you have prepared banh mi's already. And then here the sweets, and then here bread station. Okay. And croissants, all the drinks. All right, and the fruits. Okay, we're gonna go all the way out here. Oh, here's the coffee station. All right, tea and coffee station. Hello. And here's also the Italian restaurant we ate yesterday. It was very nice decorated. It's still nice decorated. But yeah. And you see here again, lots of bushy elements left and right. We're gonna walk now all the way to the lagoon. The lagoon and the vegan hot pot restaurant. Yes. There is a vegan hot pot restaurant. I never had vegan hot pot. I also did not try it this time, but it looks very nice. Yeah, I think the only bad thing about this place is you need more time. You definitely need more time. You need time for all those activities. Like for me, just to do the eating parts of the video, what's that? I think I need 3 days. But I just stayed here one night and I just like non-stop eating. Non-stop eating, coffee time. Yeah. And you know what? I cannot say no to food. So if I get food in front of me, I eat it. So now I have to walk it away in the morning. They also have a gym, and yesterday I actually also went to the sauna. They don't have an ice bath though. I think they should invest in that. That would be a great addition. Should have like a cold plunge or something. You hear that? You're completely in the nature here. You have to walk all this way here, and then you come to the first pool here. Look at this. And this is the pool bar. Check this out. Lagoon pool. It's open from 6 to 6. There are always some lifeguards on spot. Yeah. But as you can see here, they're cleaning. It's non-stop work because you're in the jungle. So all those leaves always dropping in. Well, it looks very zen here. I think just listen to the sounds here. You are basically in the city center of Da Nang, right? So you're still so close to everything. You can walk to the An Thung area from here, easy. I did it all the time. So I came here before to do my pre-wedding photos. I was here on a conference one time, and they have many events. I've been here like 3-4 times, so I know this place a little bit. They also have a holy festival. Holy festival in March. They have Oktoberfest in end of September or October, I'm not sure. Yeah, so Tire House. This is the restaurant from Sapa. It's also still closed, but I think I'm gonna have a cooking class over there today. Can you imagine that? Oh, they have cooking classes. They have coffee making classes. And then upstairs there is like this hippie place. They're gonna have yoga over there, and like you can relax there. It's like no shoes in there, and like bean bags. Yeah, it's very nice here, very zen. This is the children's pool here. and yeah. So this whole place here goes all the way to the back too, for the villas and all kinds of stuff. Villas and the big convention center. Fun fact, in this convention center from this hotel here, Ariana, there was the APAC conference. So all world leaders were here on this huge property. But yeah, I can't wait to try out the food. I'm already hungry now. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Check out my video about this hotel, what I did on my main channel, and see you in the next vlog.